Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology channel. Topic of defense technology news is fourth Kronos GMHP radar passes factory acceptance tests for Italy's SAMPT air defense system. The fourth Kronos GMHP radar intended for Italy's SAMPT system has successfully completed its factory acceptance tests, FAT. The tests were carried out at Leonardo's facilities in Fusaro, Arco Felice, Italy, with ACAR staff member experts in attendance. This radar forms part of the FSAFPAAMS program led by ACAR, and is integrated into the next-generation SAMPT system for the Italian Armed Forces. The Kronos GMHP, developed by Leonardo, is a high-performance multifunctional sensor capable of addressing various air and missile threats simultaneously. It employs an active electronically scanned array, AESA, antenna to enhance detection, tracking, threat classification, and missile guidance capabilities. These features are tailored to meet the performance requirements of the overall SAMPT system. Production of the radars began in 2021 under a contract awarded to Eurosam by the FSAFPAAMS program division of ACAR EA. The recent successful FAT of the K6 unit marks a key intermediate milestone for the Italian variant of the system. ACAR confirmed, a considerable number of tests have been performed to assess all features and related performances of the Kronos radar. The organization also highlighted that the successful achievement of this intermediate milestone is key to meet the SAMPT program milestones for the Italian variant to be delivered to the Italian forces in the coming years. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of my Electronics Technology channel, and for searching my channel please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.